coast of the Mediterranean Sea in August. Crazy. As you can see, you can realize that it's completely clean. The water is extremely clean. This in Barcelona will be super dirty. Like the port of Barcelona will be full of shit. And here is completely clean. And something that I also realized is that there are no, you cannot find homeless people. I mean, there's, okay, classes. There's even a park for doing like workout and stuff. Okay, so in this video, and you can see I changed my t-shirt because this is from another day. Today is Thursday when I'm recording this video. And on this video, on this blog, I want to talk about the reasons why I stopped the e-commerce store that I had, like Nordic Sleep. I mean, I still have a lot of inventory and still I don't have the website up and running. And obviously during these months I learned a lot of stuff. I learned about a lot of stuff about marketing, about sales, also about how to create campaigns on meta ads and creatives for those ads. I learned also how to create websites, which I mean as a software engineer that should be something that by itself I should be knowledgeable on that, but not like creating and getting the correct colors for the brand and all that stuff. And I learned a lot of stuff and I still feel I'm learning all the day, obviously, because that's something important. Main reason why I stopped the shop, it was not being profitable at the end of the day. And one of the main reasons is that the average order value was very low. Like the pillow was around 50 USD or like 50 euros. And at the end of the day, with these low values, and like at the end of the day, if the pillow at the end costs 30 USD, the profit margins are low, and if you spend a lot of money on ads, you know, it doesn't become profitable at all. And that's also why I stopped with this e-commerce store. And also two other reasons, it's that I was spending a lot of money on ads. Like, I mean, I was getting a ROAS at the end of the day that it was really low. I think it was around 1, and Meta for some reason started taking the money from the same, you know, from the same ad set into, like, it was like redimensioning the money and like replacing the money from each ad set in order to make it more simplistic, in order to make it more profitable. But at the end of the day, it was not doing that. And in my opinion, and a recommendation for me is that you should like do parallel work and go into the same direction as Meta does, but do not allow Meta to do it by yourself. It should be you yourself, because it's your money, the money that you're using for running the ads. And then the third mistake that I had especially, it's getting a lot of inventory, because at the end of the day, if a product is not being sold a lot, why should you keep inventory from that at home or like in your warehouse? Like, it's better to do it extremely lean, because in that case you will not have a lot of products in your home or in your warehouse. And that's something that, yeah, now I'm obviously I'm in contact with different companies and stuff on how to sell these products. And obviously if you're interested in a pillow, let me know, because I will try to ship you a pillow. You will get a pillow. That was pretty much it why I stopped this e-commerce store, because it was, at the end of the day, it was not being profitable. And that's why I think we're to start with service-based businesses and like leverage your knowledge of someone else and the time of someone else for the business that you have. So that's something that I might try in the future, and it's super interesting, and obviously I will transmit that with you on this channel, because that's also the reason why we have this channel, especially to talk about business and especially to talk about dating and self-improvement and stuff like that. Obviously, you know that. And also something that I wanted to comment is on the reason on why e-com, why I started doing this, and it's basically because of two reasons. The first one is because it looks fancy, looks cool. I mean, it's cool to create a brand, you know, like, and trust, like, you know, there's a product that is a good product and you're happy about using that product every night. You know, I've been sleeping with that pillow for like almost 4 months, and I'm super happy. And I was super happy selling the pillows and running the ads and creating the creatives and the website and everything. So, you know, I had trust on that product, and as well as other products that I thought about selling as well, like toothbrushes or like implants for everything related to health and sleeping better. But at the end of the day, if it's not profitable, you know, it's not profitable, you cannot do anything. And obviously it can become profitable at some point, but you never know. Like the average or the value should be higher. Like I cannot be selling that pillow for like 40 or 50 USD or like euros. I mean, it should be higher. The profit margin should be higher because I mean I'm running the ads and like it doesn't make sense. So, and the second reason why I started doing that is because I thought it was fancy and a lot of people are doing it, and then I would be able to get help from other people, or like that other people seeing that would be interested in getting one of the products, or like you will be thinking like, oh, that's so cool what you're doing and stuff like that, you know, because when you do something different, like I don't know, like coding for example, yeah, coding is cool as well, but maybe I find it that cool for myself, you know. For guys, coding, you know, it's nice, it's challenging, it creates, I mean, with coding you can do almost everything, and also especially with AI and machine learning that it's been going on for quite some time. But you know, at some point not so many people might find that interesting, because not everyone is buying an ML model or like a large language model from company. Like you're not gonna use that model every day, but a pillow, you can use a pillow every day, or you can use a table every day, or a toothbrush, or napkins, or water, you know. So this kind of stuff, it's more like on the everyday life, and more people might find that useful for their life, and not like using a website maybe, or I mean a website a lot of people use it, but especially like something really specific, like a model, or like some data analysis that you can use data. Like people don't buy that, you know, or like maybe a super specific course on coding on some specific area, like how to code, I don't know, like ML models and stuff like that. So yeah, that was pretty much it, the reason why I started this, which is more like general and grounded, you know, and common, and yeah, that's basically the main reason why I did. So yeah, having said that, now I have to rethink and especially here, that I'm like basically in the city where a lot of people sell info products and courses and stuff. But at the same time, I think it's also cool to give good, or like try to improve the reputation that this city has, because so many people think that it's coming from Dubai, it's a scam, or it's something like that. And to be honest, having been here for almost a week, it doesn't feel like that. I mean, it feels like a city like New York, or like Paris or London or wherever city, you know. And you know, thinking that something coming from Dubai or from the UAE, it's a scam, it's just bullshit. It doesn't make sense, because you haven't been here, like even visiting or living. And to be honest, I recommend you, in case you think like that, this type of people, that you come here, or even that you buy an infra product, or that you even create an infra product on the knowledge that you have, and see obviously if you can sell that knowledge and people are interested in buying that knowledge. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. As I said, I'm rethinking on what to do now, either continue with another product or with another set of products, or just sell some kind of service, which might be not general, you know, might be super specific, like how to create a large language model for the new AI tool or something like that, which obviously requires a lot of time investment and a lot of knowledge, like expertise on that. Or just creating something different, creating websites or creating creatives for other businesses, or yeah, maybe sell another product, such as like a sofa or type of sofa, or I don't know, something that it gives a higher average order value and a little bit higher profitability, in case, for example, you need to spend a lot of money on ads. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe to Friendly Talking in case you haven't done that yet. And up here to see my last upload on channel, which was on the apartment or like fancy hostel or whatever you want to call it. Because obviously here I'm being totally transparent. I'm living with other people here in Dubai, but it's super cool because it's like an apartment, so it's like a share flat. Give a thumbs up to this video in case you haven't done that yet, because it really helps out growing the channel. Yeah, as always, remember to say always friendly. Peace out.